Excalibur Fruit Trees. This place is awesome, and here's a sign. I come here way too much. And they sell fruit trees here. And they have so many acreage of just all these different fruit trees. Here we are at Excalibur Fruit Trees, and there's tons of mangoes here in season right now, and they sell mango trees here, but they sell the mangoes when the mangoes are ripe off the trees, and they got a ton of different kinds, and we are going to get a bunch right now. But here are a whole bunch of mangoes they have. This is coconut cream mango, Juliet mango, this is cherry mango, this is a Kent mango, there's a ripe one.
Southern Blush.
Gary, Philippine, this is a Southern Blush, Golden Nugget. And Duncan. We have a Cox mango, a Steep mango, Tommy Atkins, and Dot.
And then I'm going to go look at it, and then I'll give you a call back, okay?
Mango?
All right, everybody, here we are at Excalibur Fruit Farm, and we got Zane, the driver, Zane, and he is the best driver around and the best fruit expert, and he's taking us to this mango called a bat mango. How many trees do they have here?
Trees or like fruit trees?
Fruit trees. How many fruit trees are here?
Probably
thousands and thousands of fruit trees here.
millions. Probably a couple million.
Excalibur fruit trees. And they have a whole bunch of variety of mangoes, and it is mango season. There's a whole bunch of different varieties. I'll show you right now just a bunch of the ones I have at the front stand that fell off the trees. But now he's going to take us to a mango called a bat mango. I don't know why it's called bat mango, but I'm sure we'll find out now. So check it out. Okay.
Oh, it's called a bat mango because this is the area that we call bat because all the trees here are big ass trees.
Okay.
So bat. So let's.
Come on, guys.
So there's a bunch of mangoes all over the ground.
Wow.
So this is what they look like, and let's try one.
Okay, here we go. This is a bat mango. What's the variety of this? Bat mango?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
So, would you like to try it first?
Sure. Oh, ladies first. Go right ahead.
Thank you.
All right, what a gentleman. All right.
Oh my gosh, it smells so sweet.
This little, what kind of tree is this big one here?
That's the bat mango tree.
Wow. Is that the biggest tree you have on the property?
Maybe.
Wow, here we go.
It isn't.
This is the bat mango. Let's try it. Whoa.
It's so sweet.
That is one great mango.
Yeah.
All right, that is a bat mango right here. That is some good stuff. That is a bat mango. Bat mango. Do you sell trees like this?
That's that big?
No, this variety.
Oh yeah, we sell bat mango trees, but not that big.
That was a good variety of mango.
Yes.
That was one of the best. Let them taste it there. Thank you very much. Bat mango. All right. Literally called bat mango.
A big ass tree mango.
So some trees that are popular mangoes have a common flavor. Names. Some have new names. But basically, when you breed and cross one tree with another tree, you create a tree. And if it tastes good, you can name it. And it could be a Nissan mango or something. But this is really cool. All right.
Now you know I have to try it.
Okay, Noah.
Come on, Noah. Give us
It's so sweet, like candy.
It's gonna give you a tiny piece. It's really good.
It's like candy.
See, look how small it is.
Ayla, how good is it? Like candy?
You just gotta
All
nibble
you
it.
gotta eat.
Noah, 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 Noah. Whoa, he likes it. It's like candy.
Like it?
Is it like candy? Whoa. Alrighty.
Sorry.
Well, look at that smile. He loves it. Noah's first star fruit. Go ahead. How sweet is that? Like candy, right? He likes it. Mom's going to be so happy. Whoa.